In the last 7 years, I have moved a total of 4 times. So 2 times when I was in Japan and 2 times while living in the US. So I'm getting ready to move again. But the good news is this time I'm going to be moving to a location where I know for sure I'm going to be there for a very long time. So I'm pretty excited for that. So today I'm going to be giving you guys an apartment tour, and this is the apartment that we used to live at. It's all cleared out right now, so I can show you guys the outside and everything. This is actually the best apartment that I've ever lived in my life. That is super modern. We didn't have any issues at all, and the only reason why we moved was because we're going to be moving into a bigger place and our own place. But more to come as it relates to that. But yeah, they had a parking garage. We were on the 4th floor, and we were able to just drive all the way to the 4th floor. So we didn't really have to see anybody because we didn't have to take the elevators or anything. So it was, like just minimal interaction with people and just a really nice, place to live. No issues at all. We moved into this place, when was it? It was last year, August, I believe. So it hasn't even been a full year yet, which is so strange because the best place, and we didn't even live for a year, but sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. And everything happened so quickly that we didn't even expect that we would be moving out so quickly. But like I said, it's all for the best. Okay, so once you enter, you're gonna see the kitchen to the right and the living room right in front of you. So the kitchen has a lot of storage. It is an open concept kitchen, as you can see. And then there's also washer dryer right here. Right there is the HVAC system. There's a closet. This side, closet. There's the guest bathroom there, and then along this entire strip, that's the guest bathroom, closet, and bedroom. Just a little area right here, and then over this side is where the master bedroom, the closet, and the bathroom is. All right, so let's take a look at the bathroom here. Okay, so this is the guest bathroom. So it has a tub and it has a lot of storage space. A whole heap. And then next to the bathroom is actually the walk-in closet, which also leads to the guest bedroom. So this is a pretty nice size. So yeah. And over here is the master bedroom. And there's only one door that connects the master bedroom to the master bathroom. So once you come in to the left, there is a walk-in closet. The lights don't work. Yeah, so let me try and turn on this light. It's a little better. This is a huge space. Let me see if you guys can see. This is the actual frame. And then with this apartment, it's very modern. I wish you guys could see if I had the lights on. But yeah, it comes with all of these things. So anybody who's tech savvy and wants to, ensure that they have like high-speed internet, they do have these things. And also like they have these sockets. I know these are minor stuff, but they actually come in handy. It's raining outside now. I can actually show the outside because I was so paranoid. So now that I'm leaving, I don't care. I'll show you guys how outside look. Has this and that in it. So across from the walk-in closet, there's actually another closet, which is like the coat closet, and it's pretty long. I do have a lot of stuff, so I really needed all the space. And for the bathroom, a lot of storage. Again, similar to the other bathroom, but for this one, there's actually a standing shower. Yeah, so this is it. So this is a lot of space. This is like the best apartment I've ever had in my life because it's so modern and it just looks really good. And I wish I could stay a little longer, but you know, moving for the better. And it's, look, let me show you guys. Aldi, which is a supermarket, is across, like literally right there. That's Aldi. And then across the main road is Walmart, and then up the road is Target. So it's like a very convenient location. Super convenient. Dropping off the keys. It's raining, that's why that's why. But dropping off the keys and that's it. Bye place. I rarely even come down here. There's a gym right there, but I rarely go to the gym. But anyways, time to go home. This is a Shawnee in the future. So we got a statement stating that they need to replace the carpet, and that was about $600+, and also something about stovetop needing to be what did I say? Resurfacing. I need to give you guys the exact terms that they be. Yeah, so it says unit damage, stovetop resurfacing for $215. So I'm gonna be sending them a detailed email because I have proof that when we moved in, the stovetop had damages. So luckily, thank God, I found a document for that. Plus, for the carpet does not have any stains, no nothing. So the most I can do is probably shampoo the carpet or whatever, and they don't even need to do that because, like I said, I cleaned the room. I did like a full cleaning, so they don't need to even be doing much. So this is ridiculous. So that's $637 plus $215 plus some electric, like common area electricity. These people are ridiculous. Imagine I was just hyping them up. But what I'm basically, because I called the office already and they said, okay, it's the maintenance people who did the walkthrough and whatever. So I'm writing the email. If there's any update, I'm gonna leave it in the comments, or I might just come back and let you guys know what is what. But damn, man, I've had such a good experience with them so far, but this is like distasteful for them to be sending us this big bill. And the bill came up to $951, and then we had a $400 deposit that they're holding. But I keep you guys posted because this is like not it, man.